Greetings, Mustangs. Welcome to the Hilltop. We're so glad you've made it here. As an international student myself, I've been through the same thing that you are going through right now. I still remember the cultural shock and the changing environments, especially the sudden increase in your English usage. You have to use English in the United States. Surprising, right? You might find yourself use English way more than your native language, and that is somewhat uncomfortable. Therefore, I'm here to help you by providing some tips and advice from my personal experience here as an international student. So let's get started.
First thing first, I want to talk a little bit about accents. Do not be discouraged by your accent. Everybody has one, even the native speakers. They're just a part of who we are. So do not let accents be an excuse or obstacle for your studying abroad experience. So I want you to always speak English with confidence. The key to become comfortable with English is to completely submerge yourself in the English environment. There's an easy way that you may or may not have already done is by changing your cell phone system language to English. I know it's kind of pointless, but you'll be surprised how much it helps. Cell phones are such an essential part of our lives now, so it is important that it is also in English. Additionally, when you open up that social media on your phone, make sure it is in English as well. I'm sure you already have a lot of hours on social media in your own language, so why not try something new? Also, I would like to encourage you to watch more American shows or movies. And while you are watching them, make sure to change your subtitles from your native language to English. Or, if you want a challenge, you can turn the subtitles off. Yes, it will be difficult in the beginning to understand them, but trust me, it will definitely help in the long run with your listening and speaking skills. Let's move on to the next tip. Now I would like to talk about another tool that international students use almost every day, translators. I get it, it is an easy and simple solution when a vocabulary problem comes up. However, I would like to encourage you to stay away from the traditional translator that translate directly from English to your native language. Instead, start using English to English dictionary or translators. And the easiest way is to Google, not Google Translate. Let me show you how this is done. For example, if you want to know what the word indigenous means, all you need to do is literally ask Google, what does indigenous mean? And read off of the definition that it has from the website in English. And if there's another word in the definition that you don't understand, then just repeat the process until you do. This method will definitely take some more time and steps than the traditional translator route. However, it will definitely help you with your English comprehension in the long run. Furthermore, if a vocabulary problem comes up while you have people around you, you can just directly ask them. And that brings up another point to us. Do not be afraid to ask your professors or your peers during conversations when an English problem comes up. Remember, if you don't come out of your comfort zone, you will never have the full studying abroad experience. A simple way to say this is by saying, sorry to interrupt, but what does this mean? So let me give you an example.
Yeah,
What's up, y'all?
Oh, hey, Sam. How are you?
How's y'all's weekend?
Dude, I had a great weekend. Just got back from church with my friends. The pastor had an amazing service. He was talking very fervently, and I really loved it.
Sorry to interrupt, but what does fervent mean?
Yeah, so fervently just means like super excited. He was very enthusiastic about what he was saying. I thought he did a great job.
I see.
Yeah.
All right.
How was your weekend?
It was good. By doing this, not only show that you're an active listener, but also strengthens your vocabulary. Matter of fact, you can ask this question in almost any situations, from vocabulary to slang words and phrases to even technical terms. Especially slang words and phrases. They have an important role in the English language, but you won't know them until you find out what they mean. Here, let me give you another example. What's up, Donovan?
How are you, Sam?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing well.
How's your studying going?
It's going well. This ain't my first rodeo.
Oh, what does that mean?
Well, it means I've been through this before, so it's not going to be a huge challenge to me.
I see. All right, well, good luck with that.
Yeah, of course. I'll see you.
Yeah. See, now you know what the phrase, "this ain't my first rodeo" means. And next time when you talk to someone, you can use it and impress them. All in all, I want to encourage you to ask questions and be active and engaged in the conversation. Inevitably, you will make some mistakes, but that is just a part of the journey and experience. Embrace it, and you will do great. All right, those were just some things I've learned throughout my time here as an international student. My English is nowhere near perfect, but I do hope that these tips or advice will somewhat assist or encourage you as you embark on your journey here at SMU. Again, we're so glad that you've made it here, and I can't wait to see your progress in the future. My name is Samuel, and signing off for now. Pony up!